Hello friends, today's video is installations of CentOS 7. Today we learn how to install a CentOS 7 on our server. First of all, insert CD into server and boot from the CD, and in this option select install CentOS 7 and press enter. After pressing the enter, basic files are loaded on the system. Yeah, this is our first installation screen. Select language English, United States and continue. Yeah, now next window. In this window we will define our time zone, software selection, installation media, and first of all select your time zone according to your location and done. Then installation destination, automatic partition has been configured, so we will manually configure the partition. So I select the I will configure partition and done. Now create a partition, standard partition, add new, select a mount point, boot, and define the size, and then add a mount point. So I will add where and add mount point. Add a swap space as per requirement. You have created your mount points as per your. Add a slash partition also, size, and add a mount point. Now add a home, add a mount point. I have allocated all space to home partition. Now my partitions has been ready, and now click on done. Yeah, accept the changes and partition has been configured, and then now start the begin installation. Now set your root password. There, I have set my root password. Done. Now basic package installation has been started, so we will wait for complete the installation process. Package installation has been started. Approx 305 packages needed to install the system. Yeah guys, now our system has been rebooted successfully. Yeah, now log in with your username and password. Yeah, now our CentOS system has been installed. CentOS 5 has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.